Mobile, Alabama, where I live, you know what's behind me. If you're not from here, let me introduce you to the azalea. Here in Mobile, we are the azalea city, and these plants get really, really big. You can see how big they get. Often here in Mobile, they get a little bit trashed on and a little bit hated on because often they'll get planted too close to a house. They'll get too big and they have to be constantly maintained and cut back in order to maintain, a size and shape that isn't going to take over your windows and be blocking all of your windows at your house. But this is the ideal situation where we have them right now. It's out away from a house where they can just reach their natural shape and size. They get to be 8-10 feet, even bigger sometimes. These are the regular, traditional, historic ones. There are newer varieties that stay smaller that you can use around your house if you like. They also range in color from white all the way to a deep magenta color, so they're kind of in that pinky lavender scale of color. There's also native azaleas that grow here that range in more of the fire colors like yellow and orange and red. So if you have acidic soil wherever you live, this may be a plant for you. And if you live in Mobile and kind of have hated on them for a while or live in the Gulf Coast area, maybe try them again and just put them in a place that's a little more appropriate. If you want to see more photos of different varieties of these azaleas, you can go and join the conversation on my social media on Instagram at Catherine Ahrensberg. There's a pretty hot button topic going on there about azaleas, so you guys go check it out and see what you think.